Welcome back. This is the fifth in the Betsy Ross Jeep series where we're building a Jeep XJ for my daughter. Tonight, Maura has other things that is keeping her busy and unable to help us. We really need to make some progress on this. I'm going away for work a little bit, and it's going to be a little while until I can get back to it, so I need to get it ready to clean the engine bay. I have found that the more that we get in here, the more I realize if I want to make this so that it's going to be a good Jeep last for a long time for her, I need to make sure that I take some extra steps right now to clean things up and to prep some areas to prevent rust in the future. So tonight I'm going to go ahead and pull the transfer case and transmission the rest of the way out of the Jeep, and then I'm going to pull a couple extra things out of the engine bay so that we can push it back out and pressure wash it and get it clean and clear and get rid of all the grease and grime so that we can take some spray paint and touch up areas that need some paint and attention. And again, so that we can prevent or at least delay the rusting out of this thing, which is inevitable, but you know, we're trying to make it as best as we can. It's really great to be able to share this with everybody, and hope you enjoy it as much as we do. So stick around for this week's episode of the Betsy Ross Jeep. Which reminds me, I think there's something missing. I got an idea. Well, those magnets were not as strong as I thought they were, but I think that'll hold it for now. Suitable to the Betsy Ross name, now we've got the stars and stripes. But let's get into this transmission, get this out of here, and move on to the next one. We might have some noise in the background there as the boys are watching YouTube. Can't blame them. I like watching YouTube. So now that the trans is supported, I gotta take the drive shafts out. Okay, for whatever reason, never had success getting the chains on a trans jack to work. So I just put ratchet straps all the way around the transmission, and then I ratchet strap it tight once I got that in place, and that I've had pretty good luck with supporting it. So now the next thing I gotta do is I gotta take the cross member bolts out, the trans mount bolts out, and then I'm ready to take the transmission out. Okay, the next step is to get the Jeep high enough so that the transmission come out. Checked the engine oil when I took it out. There was nothing in it, and I assumed that the transmission was empty too, but I knew it wasn't empty because it puked it out when I did the compression test, but I still didn't remember to drain it. Well, that, as expected, was way harder and way more of a pain, especially when you do it by yourself, Maura. Anyway, transmission is out. Still have some work to do on the engine bay so that we can clean this thing top to bottom, inside and out. And I'm still not sure what I'm going to do about that front cross member. But we're not going to address that tonight. I don't know what the next video is going to be, but it's going to be next week. So, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Love it for you guys, all of you, to come back again next week and watch the next episode, whatever that may be. And Maura will be this time because I'm not going to do this by myself the whole time, so she better get with the program here, or else I'm just going to push it out and light it on fire. I'm in that kind of a mood. I'm kidding, I wouldn't dare do that. But she'll be back. And we're going to keep hammering away at this thing until we get it done. We'd love it if you come back. That's it for tonight. Thanks for stopping out. We'll see you guys on the next one.